Hey there, it's Evelyn, and in this video, I'm excited to bring you the latest and most significant news from the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, I will share with you which digital assets you should keep an eye on in the near future. As the cryptocurrency sector begins to recover, with many assets following the lead of Bitcoin and Ethereum, traders and investors are keen to find out which cryptocurrencies are worth their attention in the first week of May. So, let's dive into the top crypto stories of the day. Alright, let's get started. OKB. Following OKX's announcement of a strategic partnership with blockchain security firm Slowmist, support for Swain Network's SUI, and the largest upgrade to its proof of reserves, POR, yet, the native token of the crypto exchange, OKB, briefly but significantly rallied before settling into its current price. Currently, the price of OKB is $47.49, down 0.89% on the day and 10.91% over the week, but experiencing an 11.59% increase during the last 30 days, with a possibility of further due to the recent developments, as per the recent data retrieved by Finbold on May 1st. Bitcoin. After a brief drop caused by a massive sell-off, Bitcoin is once again attempting to breach the psychological level of $30,000 and is about to close the fourth consecutive month with a green candle, indicating that the bear market is finally and officially over. Additionally, crypto analysts anticipate that it will move towards $41,000 and $47,000. Currently, the flagship decentralized finance token is trading at a price of $29,124, which is a 0.73% increase on the day and a 3.0% over the past week. Chili Eyes. In March, the sports utility crypto project Chili Eyes announced the establishment of a $50 million incubator and accelerator program called Chili Eyes Labs, aimed at supporting Web3 projects in the gaming and entertainment sectors building on its blockchain, while the new Chili Eyes Sports blockchain is expected to launch on May 10th. At press time, the price of Chili Eyes was 13 cents, indicating a 0.15% decrease in the last 24 hours and a 1.48% decline over the previous 7 days, while rising 10.05% on its monthly chart, according to the most recent data. Cardano. Furthermore, as one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies by GitHub development in the past month, Cardano is continually innovating and developing. Notably, one of the most recent positive events is the revamping of its Architects of the Future delegation strategy to promote growth. That's all for today's video. I'm Evelyn, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more crypto news and analysis.